Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and here it is, announced 2 builds, not 1, 2. We have a release of Windows 10 Insider Preview build 17735 to the fast ring. This is Redstone 5 build that's coming up this fall. 2 builds this week again. We're getting close and close to really what this is going to be all about, because when the builds increase like this, it means we're getting to the end of the line for this version of Windows. And you're a skip ahead, 18 to 14 skip ahead. Check it out. I'm installing both of them today, and I will talk about them tomorrow because I won't be home tonight. But tomorrow is going to be a review of 17735, and on the Insider channel, check it out, 18 to 14. We'll talk about it, and of course, it all is available right now. So a skip ahead and a fast ring build, pretty cool. We're going to check out what's new, what's not, what's good and bad, and hopefully the installs will go well. So check it out, head on to your Insider machines and fire up those Windows updates to check it out. It's available now, and it was released just about 15 minutes ago, 16 minutes according to Twitter. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.